Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest photos of Princess Catherine that have been making waves online. Whether you are a royal fan or just cautious about the buzz, you won't want to miss this. So let's get right into it. Wow, just look at this stunning portrait of Princess Catherine. She truly embodies grace and elegance. The soft lighting, the poised expression. It's the perfect representation of her timeless style. Every time we see her in official photos, she exudes such warmth and confidence. And this one is so expressions. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Now this is what I love to see, a more relaxed and natural side of Kate. She's always been admired of how effortlessly she blends royal duties with being down to earth. Whether she's in designer wear or casual sweaters and jeans, she always look effortlessly chic. Oh my god, this photo of her and Princess William is just heartwarming. You can really see the genuine connection between them. They have been through so much together, yet their bond remains strong. It's always refreshing to see such candid moments between them. This is where Princess Catherine truly shines. Her work with charities, whether it's mental health initiatives, early childhood development, or working with underprivileged commitments, she's always handles on this. This picture captures her compassion and dedication perfect. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And here she is at another royal event, looking absolutely regal. That gown, the accessories, the poise, it's classic Kate. She never overdosed it, yet she always managed to settle the spotlight in the most sophisticated way. So what do you think of these latest photos of Princess Catherine? She continues to be such an inspiring figure, balancing royal duties, motherhood and charity work with so much grace. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more royal updates. And so my beautiful viewers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Cat fashion choices has captivated audience worldwide. Her effortless elegance, classic sensibility and modern twists have influenced countless women. Cat's fashion journey began long before her royal days. As a university student, she shows her personal style, often wearing high street brands like Topshop and Zara. After marrying Prince William, Cat's fashion profile soared. She cleverly balanced high-end designers wear with affordable, classable choices. Her rises dressed for the official engagements, photo shoots sold out with hordes. So my beautiful viewers, Sarah Burton's stunning Alexander McQueen design cemented Cat's status as a fashion icon. And Cat's style outfits during the 2011 tour shows her ability to blend high fashion with participatory. Her vibrant red dresses and heels at the 2020 Olympics demonstrated her playful side. Cat's fashion choices during tours to Australia, New Zealand and India highlighted her cultural sensitivity and sporting UK designers contributing to the country's fashion economy. In inclusion, Kate Middleton's fashion life is a testament to her poise, compassion and dedication to empowering women. As a style icon, she continues to inspire and influence fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England. She grew up in a middle-class family with parents Michael and Carly Middleton. Kate attended St Andrews School in Berkshire and later Melbourne College. Kate studied art history at University of St Andrews in Scotland. It was there she met Prince William and they began dating in 2003. After graduating, Kate worked briefly as an accessory buyer for JAXA Jr. Kate and Prince William relationship became public in 2004. The couple got engaged in November 2010 with Prince William proposing with his mother engagement rings. Kate married Prince William on April 29, 2011 at Westminster Abbey. She became the Duchess of Cambridge and undertook royal duties. Kate's fashion sense has been influential, blending high-end high street brands. Her wedding gown, designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen, was a masterpiece. Kate's style emphasized timeless elegance, classic styles, and subtle accessories. She often repeats outfits sporting sustainable fashion. Kate frequently wears affordable brands like Zara, Topshop, and Rises. Her eyes dress for the official engagement photo shoot sold out quickly. Kate often wears designs by Alexander McQueen, Jenny Pickham, and Emilia Vick. She has also spotted emerging British designers. And Kate uses fashion to promote culture, exchange, and understanding during world tours. Her outfits often incorporate local designers and traditional outfits. Kate supports various charities, including children's mental health and arts organizations. She has used fashion to raise awareness for these cases. Kate has three children: Prince George, Prince Charlotte, and Prince Louis. She balances royal duties with family life. Kate prioritizes fitness, enjoying outdoor activities like hiking and sailing. She has also promoted mental health awareness. Kate's popularity stems from her reliability, kindness, and dedication to royal duties. She has become a beloved figure in British public life. Kate's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspires women worldwide with her confidence, elegance, and compassion. Kate Middleton's royal evolution timeline. Her favorite designers and brands. Would you like me to provide these more information on the charity cases? So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video so far. If you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends, and please tell me in comment box what would you like to see next. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate undertaken various royal duties including charity work, official visits, and engagements. Kate has three children with Prince William: Prince George, born in 2013, Princess Charlotte, born in 2015, and Princess Louis, born in 2018. Kate supports various charitable cases including children's welfare, mental health, and arts education. Kate has become a prominent figure in British public life, known for her fashion sense, poise, and dedication to her royal duties. Kate has faced scrutiny and criticism, including paparazzi attention, media scrutiny, and public expectation. Kate is known for her down-to-earth personality, love of sport, and close relationship with her family. So join us as we explore the fascinating life of Princess Kate Middleton, from her humble beginnings to her fairy tale marriage to Prince William. In this video, we will dive into Kate's early life, including her childhood in Berkshire, her education, and her university days where she met her future husband. We will also take a closer look at Kate's journey to becoming the Duchess of Cambridge, including her engagements with exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight. This video is a must-watch for anyone fascinated by the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Kate Middleton. So my beautiful viewers, get ready for a royal treat. In this video, we are showcasing the stunning outfits of Princess Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, as well as her beautiful love story with Prince William. From her iconic wedding dresses to her chic everyday looks, we will take a closer look at Kate's fashion evolution and her most memorable style moments. But that's not all. We will also dive into her heartwarming love story of Kate and William, from their university days to their fairy tale wedding and beyond. With exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight, this video is a must-watch for anyone who loves the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Catherine and Princess William. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more royal content. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join us as we celebrate the timeless beauty and style Princess Kate Middleton in this video. So in this video we will showcase Kate's most stunning outfits, from red carpet gowns to chic everyday looks, and explore what makes her one of the most beautiful women in the world. From her flawless skin and radiant smile to her effortless elegance and poise, we will examine the qualities that make Kate a true beauty icon. We will also dive into her fashion choices, highlighting her favorite designers, styles, and trends, and how she uses her platform to promote British fashion and support emerging designers. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton Fashion Life. She's a true style icon, and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Kate has become a global style icon. So join us as we take a closer look at her fascinating life, from her childhood to her royal duties as the Duchess of Cambridge. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, we are thrilled to share that our channel has just reached 3,000 subscribers. We are grateful for your support and cannot wait to share more exciting content with you. So my beautiful viewers, subscribe to our channel for more royal updates, fashion insights and inspiring stories. Thank you all for being part of our community. Your engagement and enthusiasm means the world to us. So hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. My beautiful viewers, Kate Middleton attended SG Andrews School in Penkrum, Berkshire, where she excelled in sport and music. Kate's parents, Michael and Corley Middleton, instilled her a strong sense of value and work ethic. Kate studied art history at University of St Andrews in Scotland, where she met Prince William. Kate and William met in 2001 during their first year at St Andrews, and they became fast friends. Rumors of romantic relationship between Kate and William began circulating in 2003. As Kate's relationship with William became more public, she faced intense media scrutiny. Kate graduated from university in 2005 with a degree in art history. After graduation, Kate worked as an accessory buyer for a clothing company. Prince William proposed to Kate in November 2010 during a private vacation in Kenya. So Kate spent months preparing for her wedding, including choosing her iconic wedding dresses. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are a fan of royal lover and a fan of Kate Middleton, please subscribe my channel and share this channel with royal fans, lover and your family members. So Kate and William married on April 2011 at Westminster Abbey. After the wedding, Kate became the Duchess of Cambridge, a title previously held by the Princess Diana. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate undertook various royal duties, including attending official events and supporting charities. So Kate gave birth to her first child, Prince George, in 2013, followed by the Princess Charlotte in 2015 and the Prince Louis in 2018. Kate became being praised for her hands-on approach to pretending, often taking her children on public outing. Kate has become a global fashion icon, with her outfits and hairstyle frequently emulated by fans. Kate supports various charities, including focus on children's welfare, mental health and the arts. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you again, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Kate has spoken publicly about the importance of mental health awareness and support. Kate is an accomplished photographer, having taken official portraits of her children and other members of the royal family. Kate is a keen sportswoman, enjoying activities such as tennis, sailing and hiking. Kate has accompanied Prince William on numerous world tours, including visits to Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. So, as the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate plays an important diplomatic role, meeting with foreign dignitaries and promoting British interest. Kate has spoken out in support of women's empowerment, advocating for a greater equality and opportunities. So, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Kate has faced intense media scrutiny throughout her time in the public eye, but has learned to navigate the challenges. As the wife of Prince William, Kate will one day become Queen Consort, supporting her husband as a monarch. Kate has demonstrated a strong commitment to the royal duties, carrying out engagement and supporting charitable cases. Kate prioritizes her family life, spending quality time with the husband and the children. And Kate has embraced various royal traditions, including attending the annual dropping the colour ceremony. Kate has helped modernize the monarchy using social media and the other platforms to engage the public eye. So Kate has become an inspiration to young women around the world, demonstrating the importance of hard work, dedication and compassion. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, now we are going to talking about her fashion life, her hairstyles, her makeup tutorial and royal dresses. So watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, Style Kate's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Kate Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge gorgeous look. In this video we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, Kate hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, Kate's hair is a perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Kate's morning and nighttime hair routine, her favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Kate's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step by step guide to achieving Kate's signature, tips for adding volume and texture, how to finish with a sleek polished look, Kate's more stunning outdoor looks, tips for creating her elegant style, how to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration, Kate's iconic wedding day hairstyle, tips for achieving a romantic effortless look, how to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair, Kate's most memorable red carpet hairstyle, tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair, how to make a statement with hairstyle, everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Kate casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair, how to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Kate Middleton. Princess Kate top tips of healthy beautiful hair, how to overcome common hair struggles, tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So in the depth reviews of Kate's favorite hair products, how they perform and whether they are worth the hype, alternative option for different budgets and hair. Now we are talking about my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I am so glad you are enjoying this video so far. So let's dive deeper into the Kate's hair and makeup secrets, from her go-to stylish to her favorite product. I will be sharing it all and how you know to recreate her iconic looks at home. My goal is to inspire you with Cat's beauty choices. So if you want to know about more of Cat Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. From her early days as a commoner to her current role as the Duchess of Cambridge, we will dive into her fashion evolution, role life, and biography. Let's get started. Cat Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Cat worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Cat's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate supports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, role life, and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to tell you about my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide. She is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Cat often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are 2 of her go-to labels. Cat's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Cat's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Cat's jewelry collection is inviolable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Cat's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Cat's handbag collection is impressive. She favored classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Cat's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Cat's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Cat's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Kat's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Kat faced criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Kat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Kat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Kat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Kat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Before becoming a royal, Kat's style was more relaxed. She often wore bohemian-inspired pieces and high-street brands. Kat's style has evolved significantly since becoming a royal. She's adopted a more polished, sophisticated look while remaining. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please tell me in comment box what do you like in this videos and which type of video do you like in future. And please subscribe my channel and support me and share this video with your family and friends. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are as passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today and let's explore the world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips, tricks from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish Kat's Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Kat fashion sense is always on point. So who can forget Kat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen? This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown, Kat dresses are always on point and we cannot get enough of them. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thanks for watching Louise. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day from fashion tips, trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future video, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.